Hello everyone, my name is Tara and I am in Paris right now. So I'm gonna do an unboxing quickly of a bag from this brand called Pinko. I never heard of this brand before and I saw this first time in the Galleria Lafayette Mall, and this brand caught my eye because of its logo. So I came to know, I learned about it that this is an Italian brand and which is doing very good in Italy. And this particular bag really caught my eye. So I thought, why not to have one and see? The quality looks amazing. So yeah, I got a bag from this brand called Pinko, and let's unbox and see which one I got. So they give your bag in this kind of box. So the size of my bag is mini size. So are you guys excited to see what I got from Pinko? Ta-da! Here she is. This bag is so gorgeous, you guys. And look at this Napa leather. The quality of the leather is also very soft. It kind of giving me very Chanel kind of vibe. What caught my eye to buy this particular bag is the color and the logo. Look at these two birds. Oh my god, so pretty. Only because of this logo I bought this bag, and let me see how I feel after wearing this. I'm already in love with this bag. I don't know why. Maybe because these two looks like lovebird. Yeah, so this is how it opens. And so opening is quite easy. You have to push it little down and then voila. So there is sticker. I have to remove it. Sticker is already there. And inside it's a good bag to carry your phone. Your phone will fit. Card, cash, lipstick, every essential for evening or lunch will come in this bag. This is how it looks from inside. It has quite the space. It can fit your phone, and what we need lipstick, card holder, cash, that all things gonna fit. And the leather quality looks good. So yeah, so this is the bag I bought from Pinko. It has a long chain sling and some leather strap also, the combination. Back also they have this bird logo. And the leather is also very soft. Maybe I'll make one review video later about the quality and what fits in. I mostly told you what all fits in this bag. So yeah, that is it. This was a quick little unboxing for my new Pinko bag, which I'm already in love with for this thing. I don't know why. So yeah, you all have a good one, and that's it for now. Bye, and I love you all.